Now we will work on the UI part. So first we will do some cleanup of the code, and then we will install React Router DOM for routing, and we will set up all the authentication routes like login, registration. Okay, so let's go to Visual Studio Code, and inside app.tsx, let's remove all this code, and here I'm going to take a simple h1 tag, and inside I'm going to say app component, and let's remove this imports which is not required. Let me save this file, and now we will install React Router DOM. So let's open the terminal. So let me just do Control C to stop the terminal, and here I'm going to say npm install React Router DOM and hit enter. Meanwhile it is installing, I'm going to create the folders. Okay, so let's create a folder in the source folder, pages, and inside the pages I'm going to create a folder with the name register. Okay, so register, and inside register I'm going to take a file with the name index.tsx. Hit enter, and here I'm going to do RAFCE, press tab, and here I'm going to name this as register page. Okay, let me just copy, paste. Okay, and let's remove this import, not required. Okay, so this is done, and now inside the pages I'm going to take a new folder and name it as login, and inside login again we need an index file, so index.tsx, and here I'm going to do RAFCE, press tab, and the name will be login page. Okay, save this file, remove the imports. Then we need so once the user is logged in, it will be redirecting to the home page. So we need the home page. So here I'm going to say home, and inside home I'm going to take an index file, so index.tsx, and again we need to do RAFCE, press tab, and here I'm going to say home page. Save this, remove the imports. Okay, so this is done. Now let's go back to app.tsx. I think the npm React Router DOM is also done. Okay, and let's start this server. So not the server, let's start the website by doing npm run dev. Okay, so this will be running on localhost 5173. Let me close this, and here first we are going to import browser router, then we need routes, then we need route from React Router DOM. Okay, then here I'm going to take browser router. Okay, and inside browser router I need routes, and inside routes I'm going to take all the pages, but we need to import all the pages, right? So here I'm going to do import home page from home page, and then we need login page from login, and again register. Okay, registration, sorry, register. So here I'm going to say route path, that is going to be an empty, sorry, a slash, front slash, an element that is going to be home page, and again same thing for login and register. Okay, so this is done. Now we can check. Okay, so if I go to the browser, so here we can see the home component, sorry, app component. I think the browser router. Okay, so I think we don't require all this div and h1 tag. So let's remove this. Let's keep only browser router. Okay, if I go back here, as you can see, we can see the home page. So if I duplicate and if I go to register, so here is the registration page. And if I duplicate and if I say login, so this is the login page. Okay, so this is the home page, this is the register page, and this is the login page. So routing is working. So here we can just add a comment pages. Okay,